Good morning, everyone. It's Mark Leibovit. It's Monday, November 23rd, and this is a Leibovit VR tutorial here on Tradestation. You're looking at the Trading App Store and the Leibovit Volume Reversal tool, which is available on a 1-month free trial, $95 afterwards. There is a video there that you could check out, which was a recording of a recent webinar, and we go into a little bit more detail on the Leibovit Volume Reversal, but essentially there are 3 versions: sequential, directional, and 2-day, and we use the sequential on these videos because it posts all positive and negative VRs. Let's put up the screen here. This is an interesting screen. You're looking at, on the top left, we're looking at the sequential. Here we're looking on the top right, the directional. On the bottom left, you're looking at the 2-day version of the VR indicator. And here, of course, is our radar screen where you can post stocks, indexes, anything you like. Here you're looking at the S&P 100, and if a negative or positive volume reversal is formed, it is flashed. We can blow that up here real quickly, and you can see here on the NASDAQ 100 when negative VRs were posted. Doesn't mean they were posted on Friday. Most recently, you have to pull out each of the charts and check, but if they are posted here, there's certainly a signal that you have to pay attention to. So it's a great tool, having that radar screen, the ability to pull up any stocks that you choose, or indexes or lists, and see if negative or positive VRs are being formed. Meanwhile, let's jump into Nike here. I'm going to put that up on the screen here. There's a daily chart. As you know, the big story on Nike was the big announcement on Friday that they're splitting the stock and buying back their shares and increasing the dividend. Well, no surprise, because the positive VR came in on Wednesday the 18th. You can see here it met my requirement for a rising 533 stochastic. So if you had scanned and seen Nike and you jumped in and kept a stop just below the low of the previous day, you'd have been in for a trade here. And using the 2-day rule, where you're out after the second day, it would have worked out perfectly. In fact, I would have rung the register on Friday if you were in the stock, and certainly by Monday if you haven't done so. But basically, a strong confirmation of the VR. Obviously, somebody knew it was coming or anticipated positive results on Friday, and you just sit here for a period of time and wait for the signals. And if you get a signal in a stock like this, you act accordingly. Let's see. Meanwhile, I just wanted to mention to you, which I did in the previous broadcast, that we do host a Wall Street Raw radio program Saturday mornings on the Genesis Communication Network. That's 10 a.m. Eastern. Go to gcnlive.com. That's gcnlive.com to hear the show, or you can check in for archives of shows that you may have missed at vrtrader.com. We do offer several newsletters. I encourage you to go to vrtrader.com for details there, and I look forward to you on the next recording, which will be after the holidays. Thank you.